Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to block spam emails on Gmail. Yeah, those annoying messages that just keep popping up. It only takes a few quick steps. So let's jump right in. So first, open the email that keeps bothering you. You can do this from your main inbox or from the spam folder if it's already there. Next, look at the top right corner of the email. You'll see a tiny three dots menu. Yeah, that one. Go ahead and click it. From the drop-down menu, choose the option that says block followed by the sender's name. Once you click it, Gmail will stop messages from that address, so they won't clutter your inbox anymore. You'll see a small confirmation message. Just hit block again to finish the process. It's really quick, like just a couple of seconds. And if you want to help Gmail filter similar messages in the future, you can also mark the email as spam. Just click the little stop sign icon with the exclamation mark. I mean, it helps Gmail learn what to filter out. If you're still getting tons of spam, you can go a bit deeper. Head to Gmail settings, then go to filters and blocked addresses. From there, you can review all the blocked emails or add new ones manually. It's pretty handy. And that's basically it. Blocking spam emails in Gmail is super simple once you know where those options are. Thanks for watching, and yeah, hope this helps keep your inbox clean. Hey everyone.